All right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Happy Thursday night. And it's time for another Forex talk over beer. So, welcome for the new followers. Welcome back for existing followers. Yes, I know this is early. Usually, I do it around like 6 p.m. Eastern. Now it's like 5:40, and usually I'm always late, and now I'm early. I know. So I'm not expecting a ton of people right now. Obviously, most of you guys gonna be watching the replay no matter what. So by the way, that's the reason you definitely want to activate notification on that channel because that schedule, eh, you know, I don't really, I'm not really, you know, on my toes. Not on my toes. That's not the right expression. Not really fixed on schedule or respect schedule. Yeah, whatever. Okay. So thank you so much for being here, and let's jump into it right away. This is called Forex Talk Over Beer because we're gonna be enjoying a nice little beer together. I actually just opened it up before the beginning of the show. Usually I do it with you, but we're gonna do a quick show tonight because we have a dinner with friends in a couple minutes. So I'm gonna try to run this as quick as possible, but don't hesitate if you're live right now to send me some question. By the way, guys, please tell me I'm not talking to myself. Let me know if I am talking to myself and you guys don't hear anything. Please let me know. Um, I hope the sound is loud and clear. Okay, so let's jump into it. Let's share the screen. And like I said, if you have any question, feel free to ask. And first thing first, cheers, boys and girls. Yo. Ooh, this is real good. Ooh. Oh, it's been a while. Then I had a good one like this. Oh, this is really good. Oh, wow. All right, amazing. All right, let's jump into it. All right, so let's start with GJ. So far this week, to be honest, you know, kind of not so great. Nothing much happened. Um, I'm about to do a lot of probably day trade in the next couple weeks. Since the market's kind of effy a bit. But let's take a look at here. On the weekly time frame, we are bullish on GJ. We are bullish on the daily. We just created a new high today. No pullback. And H4 bullish. So right now, I mean, we might have a continuation trade on GJ. So let's take a look. Can we catch that continuation trade and have a day trade on Friday? I mean, that's possible. Let's take a look at it. So let's see here. That's going to be our H4 golden zone. There we go. Boom. So technically, weekly is bullish, very strong. Last week closed engulfing. This week looks super strong also. Daily bullish. We got all that wick to fill. Doesn't look like we have a pullback on the daily either. Let's look left. Do we have any challenge to the left? Not much. We got clean traffic on the daily. What about the weekly? I mean, where are we at right now? We're here. Okay, so we got that weekly resistance here. That might be the problem, but I would be willing to, if we do have a pullback tonight during London session and tomorrow, maybe I can ride that as a day trade, you know? So we'll see. We'll see, but that would be the plan for me on GJ for sure. Cheers, guys. By the way, do not forget to smash the like button as you're coming in. And let me know if it's your first time here. Let me know who's here, man. Say, drop behind a comment. Let me know. Oh, yo, oh, this is good. Okay, so yeah, that would be the plan for GJ. Now NZD USD, let's take a look. It was a great entry today, but I was not in front of the computer, and it was right in the middle of the afternoon, so I would probably not have taken it no matter what. Weekly now it's really effy right now, but if you're looking at the daily is extremely clean. That was actually NZD USD was also the pair had a pretty good win. Was it last week or the week before, whatever? And the same kind of move just happened in the past couple of days. I was actually waiting for that kind of move. Now we just did create a new lower low on the daily, but look, this is exactly what I was waiting for, and I think we talked about that on Tuesday. When was that? That was Tuesday. We were starting to have the pullbacks. Yeah. So I was like, let's wait and have this pullback inside the H4 golden zone, which we did. Let's take a look. Did we miss an entry here on H1? Not really, because I mean, price was, hold on. So here we had bearish from there to there. I mean, yeah, definitely missed an entry at 10 a.m. this morning. I kind of marked this thing pretty badly. All right, so that's my mistake. That was my mistake. Yeah, this was a perfect clean entry. What about 30 minute? Yeah, 30 minute also 10 a.m. But 30 minute 30 minute though would have been like bullish. Yeah, the problem here is 30 minute would have been bullish, but I think I would have been able to act on that 1 hour, to be honest. Like even if it is bullish here. Next entry would have been like right here. Let's say you wait for the 30 minute to be bearish. Next entry will be like right here at 3 p.m. But that's around the end of the day. I mean, you don't want to do that because that new daily is gonna have to print the top wick first. So you might go in drawdown. You're gonna get spread. It's like meh. I don't think it's smart to enter at that point, to be honest. So let's take a look at 4 hour now. 4 hour just created that new lower low. Man, oh, this would have been nice. Here, that would be the entry. Stop loss. Let's say 10 pips above here. That's 36. So at least a 2.5 minimum. There we go. And yeah, that would be the play. I'm just gonna keep it there. I'm gonna say paper trade. I just wanna see and keep track if it's gonna play out. Do I see any other possible entry? Yes. If H4 give us another pullback. Um, but that's pretty much about it now. Because now this is the lower high and lower low. Here we go. Cheers. Okay. AUDGPY. AUDGPY. Here. What the hell just happened here? What's going on here? Oh, maybe like this. Here we go. Sorry, guys. Sorry, boys and girls. What about this here? Just trying to see something because somebody sent a question. I'm trying to figure it out. Where was it? Where's that question? Don't see it. Whatever. Okay, so let's jump into the next one. AUDGPY. Weekly, we are bullish. Daily bullish. Start to have the pullback here, retesting previous structure point. H4 bullish. We're probably inside that H4 golden zone now. Ooh, right on it. All right. All right, all right. Why are you guys so quiet? Don't be shy to say hi. H1. H1 when bearish here. Oh, actually, here we have a new lower low. Here we go. Okay, so let's recap this. So we got a weekly bullish, daily bullish, H4 bullish, nice pullback inside that golden zone. H1 is bearish. So I think this one looks pretty clean. Just gotta have to have a switch of structure here. Yeah. Same thing here on the 30 minute. Yep. All right, cool. So ADGPY looks pretty clean. Euro CHF weekly, we are bearish. By the way, guys, let me know which pair you want me to take a look at because I'm going to be looking at 2 more pairs after that and maybe a special request. So if you send me your special request, I'm going to take a look at it. Bearish on the weekly, bearish on the daily, and bullish on the 4 hour, but this looks like shit, to be honest. Yeah. I mean, if H4 goes bearish, it might be nice. All right, let's keep an eye on this one. GBP I think it looks pretty much the same, those two. Weekly bearish. We are bearish also on the daily. Nice pullback at this daily golden zone. So can we have like, maybe we're gonna have like a booby trap candle this week, and next week we're gonna continue melting. I don't know. H4 bullish. So same thing here. NZD. Cheers. Okay, so we got a weekly bearish. We are creating a new low here. Daily is bearish. H4 is bullish now. So this one, oh, actually, no, we just went back bearish now. My bad. Perfect. So it's a no-go for this one. AD and ZD. Oh, ding dong, what's up, man? Cheers, buddy. Yeah, nothing exciting with this one. GCAD weekly. Any special request, ding dong? Because this one is a short episode. We're going for dinner. Weekly bearish, daily bearish. I mean, look at this range. Oof. Yeah, fuck it. Fuck it. No, thank you. All right, that's it. I think AUDGPY is probably the nicest ones that we just take a look at. Maybe there's more in here on my list, but I didn't really look at the other one. So if you have any special requests, let me know now because that's gonna be the last one I'm gonna take a look at. So any special requests, let me know. Let me recap AUDGPY. Weekly is bullish. Daily is bullish. H4 is bullish, nice pullback, so we might have a continuous trade here. So basically just waiting for H1 to have a switch of structure here. So that's about it. Yeah, let me see. Any special requests, guys? Are we good? We good? All right, I know this one was super quick and early because usually I do stream around 6 p.m. Eastern, but we have dinner time, so I gotta go. So thank you so much for being here tonight. Obviously, like every time, I appreciate every single one of you. And I'm going to be live once again on Tuesday morning. So around 7 a.m., 7:30 a.m. That's why you definitely want to activate notification on the channel. Okay? So thank you so much for being here again. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day, guys. Take care and peace out.